Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Remove the 10 screws. Lift up the keyboard module and use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Use a plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the battery con hold ASM. Use the tweezers to flip the mylar. Pull the mylar to disconnect the connector. Disconnect and release the speaker L cable. Use the plastic blade to remove the speaker L. Disconnect and release the speaker R cable. Use the plastic blade to remove the speaker R. Align the rubber holes to assemble the speaker L. Tidy up and connect the speaker L cable. Align the rubber holes to assemble the speaker R. Tidy up and connect the speaker R cable. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Align and install the battery con hold ASM. Fasten the 2 screws. Paste the new waterproof label. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side first. Gently press down on the bottom case until it clicks into place. Fasten the 10 screws. If you need additional help, please contact the Service Center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS Support Channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.